Welcome viewers and subscribers to the trendy dancehall bad.
Cartel the Prime Minister for the country. The Prime Minister for the country. We're tired of the woman.
You hear that? Well, I saw them say, you see me. Well, anyways, the video they were showing in the early part of the video that are actually leak footage from in a jail of VYBZ KARTEL, is it? Basically that a half-time appeal, maybe a day or two, you see me. However, that looked like an inmate took the video, is it? From another cell. And as you can see how him a go on and like him a say, yo, teacher, and be something. You can know a Gaza to the dog bone. You see me, peeps? Yeah, man, like him a say, yo, you know what? Video the dog and send it out, you see me? You know them way they can bad to bad, them think they can't just happen, so you know, them think they are compulsory. You see me? See him like last time when the man in a jail a play football and them a say, oh, and a VYBZ KARTEL, that and this. I wanna look on the video again.
Yo, put the phone to
I tell the lie still, you know, you see how the man a walk, how the man a bounce. The man a bounce free, you know, the dog a bounce nice, you know. A hot step the dog, they put, you know, pray how the dog a move charge. But yeah, man, people, at them, there's something they may talk about. All who will say that an a cartel sitting wrong with them. You see me? A one cartel. That me I'm telling you. Yeah, that me I'm telling you, people, and from you see. You don't know, you see me? So, as you can see, still a long time, them money in a jail, you know, and thing, but I like for know say something can go on for him, you see me? Me would I like for know say something can go on for him, you see me? But just say, you see me? Them know the strength where them money have already and things, so I kind of understand why them really want to let out the dog and say anything, you see me? But I'm innocent in enough people, you see me? But I have nothing against the dog nor nothing, you see me? Plus, I grew up and I hear them money run the place, you see me? Plus, you would have at camp, you see me? Plus, Sean Stan is an ex-man loyal in a prison cell with him, you see me? Said way, you see me? You see me? I can't go around the dark kind bus enough people and say enough people are road if you get me, you see me? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so as you can see, I walk a dog that I walk in a prison with a few sick around him and thing. Differently, because I'm not going to just lose, so you see me, because I can't tell that in, you see me? But when they don't know the thing, go people, you see me? But now I ask, you know, enough people supposed to shock when them see all the video, that them all enough anticipation, I swear you. Hopefully though, them free up the world boss, or any boss so them want to call him, you see me? Because everybody have them one boss, so don't know how that go, you see me? Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers, you just like and subscribe to that video, the trendy dancehall, you see me, where you will get all of your latest videos about Jamaican news, viral videos, dancehall artists, reggae, and any form of entertainment, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I don't know what kind of miracle I go work on, but God better work on or him better work on. But society, I give the man a hard fight. But people, at the end of the video, this like and subscribe. Here's it.